Alright, pretty special day here. We are complete with this Land Cruiser. It really is spectacular. It looks super good. FJ55, 1976, full and complete restoration. And the details are amazing. We'll have a video at the end here of photos of all the details of the finished product. Needless to say, on this nice spring day, parked up here with a nice view, Land Cruiser really came out spectacular. We're very proud of it. We hope the customer likes it. And again, we'll go through and give us some of the final details, but we just were anxious to put the actual video up here of it and how it all came out. Dash, etc., etc. There's questions about the interior. I think we got some videos of that. So it really is nice. I'm proud of the guys that built it. Happy for the customer that will receive it, he and his family. As we said before, it is a legacy cruiser purchased by their father in 1976, and we're happy to have restored it for the family. So there you go. We'll have more details in a bit, but nice to see.